Welcome back. So far, we've learned how to create different basic charts and maps. Now, let's explore how to present our data in a table format. Go to the Visualizations tab. Find the table icon, the fourth icon in the fifth row, and click on it. You can resize the table as needed or select Focus Mode for a clearer view. Now add data to the table. For this, I'll create a table to show product sales and profit. In the Visualizations tab, look at the field called Columns. Here, you can add data to your table by selecting and dragging the desired items. Start by dragging the product name into the Columns section. Another way to add data is to simply check the box next to the column you want to include, like the sum of sales and the sum of gross profit. Here we have a table. The next step is to sort the data. If you want to change the order of any column, just click on its header. Click once for descending order and again for ascending order. You can also sort the product names alphabetically. If you need to remove a field from the table, simply click the cross-shaped Remove button. If you're noticing the text size too small, especially on mobile, here's how to adjust it. On a laptop or computer, it's usually fine, but on a mobile, the text might be hard to read. To increase the text size, go to the Visualizations tab and open the Format section. Click on Values, where you'll find options to adjust font size, style, color, and background. These changes will only affect the table data, not the headers. Next, go to the column headers to format the headers. Above Values, you'll see a grid option. Here, you can manage the horizontal and vertical grid lines. You can remove or keep them, and even change their colors and width. By default, the table comes unformatted, but if you want to quickly style it, there's a Style option. This allows you to apply a preset style without manually adjusting everything. To add a title, go to the General section and activate the Title option. Enter your title and customize its formatting. You can also add a divider between the title and the table by selecting a solid, dashed, or dotted line.